This 2024 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 339DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a ice interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 339DS is built on a Straight Rail Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.